will be Kaisho's kitchen. Today we're trying mochis. Let's go in. This is Kaisho. We're getting a bunch of mochis. Okay, so here they are. Okay, here's the first one on video. Let's go try. We have 12 mochis. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait. Okay, so there's 11 mochis. First I'm gonna try this one. So let's do it. Just gotta open this. Toast. Oh. There it is. Okay, so just gonna take this. I wonder what it tastes. Only difference is it's bubble style, the outside. More paper. It tastes good. It tastes a lot like red bean, but as this one doesn't have much flavor on the white part, but it's good. Let's go to the next mochi. Open quickly. Here's what it looks like. Here, now I'm gonna try it. It tastes sweet and it has red bean inside. And it looks matcha, but it's not. Okay, let's go to the next one. That aside. This is called Mochi Dango. And it's one of my favorites. Okay, just gotta open it. As you can see, that's what it looks like. Just gonna take now. It's jammy. It likes to stick to other parts. Ooh, this thing is hard to hold. It's syrupy, but the outside is pretty thick syrup. And I don't know what it tastes like, but and it's yummy, but let's go to the next mochi. This brown powder on this mochi is called soybean powder. It is soybean powder. Okay, let's just taste this. It's jammy. I don't know what it tastes like, but powder does add flavor to it. Let's go to the next one. Here's the next mochi. And I don't know what these leaves are. And there's two different ones. Okay. This might be Kayla. It's good. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna try this one. Red bean inside that. Good. Let's go to the next mochi. This might be green tea powder on this one. Just gotta open it. This is what it looks like. So here, I'm gonna try. Matcha powder, and I like it. Whoa, this one has some white stuff, and this one has some brown stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna try this one. It has some white stuff in it. White bean powder is what it is. I'm gonna try this one. No. It tastes yummy. I don't know what it tastes like, but it's good. Let's go to the next mochi. I know this one. It's called Sakura, and it's only in the springtime. The leaf is edible too. First, I'm gonna try the leaf. Doesn't taste sweet, and it tastes kind of salty flavor. So I'm gonna try the mochi. Has a stem still stuck on it. Okay, gonna take a bite. I half like it and half don't like it. Okay, so let's move on to the next mochi. Look at this one, see-through. It's red bean inside. Tastes good. Really red beany. Red bean. Outside doesn't taste like it. It's not my favorite. Let's move on to the next mochi. This is the last one out of all of them. Gotta open. Gonna take this one out. This one's orange, and this one's strawberry flower. I half like it and half don't like it. But it's sweet and it's good. So there's two flavors. So just try this one next. As I said, it's orange. That's just orange things that come from orange. It's good. Tastes like orange and it's sweet. It's not my favorite. So that's all of the mochis. Oops, I forgot one. Okay, so this one, two flavors. This one has white inside, and this one has liquid inside. This one doesn't. This is brown transparent. It's good, tastes good, and it's pretty sticky, but isn't. I'm gonna try this one next. Just gotta turn it on. How liquid. There's the hole. Flavor inside is maple syrup, so it's liquid. They didn't harden that part, so it's pretty liquidy. That's all the mochis. Tastes good, tastes bad. These four ones are my favorites. This is my first favorite one. The reason why it's my favorite is because it has syrup on it. That's the reason. And this is my next favorite. And the reason why the red bean tastes good and the matcha, it's not really matcha, but it still tastes really good. Okay. This is my third favorite. The reason why it's my favorite is because it has matcha powder. And look at this. Alright. This is my fourth favorite, and the reason why outside tastes pretty good. Red bean is inside. Tastes good. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, there's 2 mochis on the table. Did you pass me one of those? Those
Sure.
look good.
There you go. Yeah, this looks good to me too. Roasted soybeans.
Nice and soft.
Very soft. Nice and fresh. Taste good. Try this one here.
You try one of these. Sticky.
That leaf is pretty good. It's a little salty.
Really gooey. And super sweet syrup.
That's too sweet for me. I don't care for the Dango. Let me try this one.
It's a salty, savory flavor instead of sweet like the others.
It's good. This one's kind of...
That's
I don't know what this is.
It's a leaf. Maybe you're supposed to eat it out of that. This one looks cool. It's like foam on the outside.